deck. Requesting final clearance.
Clear to land. Maintain current vector.
Secure the forward straps now.
Straps are secure, Captain. Tarp clear of the hull.
Aft section ready for engagement.
Crane control commencing vertical lift. Mark 20 centimeters and holding.
Confirmed. All systems green. Slight starboard traverse initiated.
Zendebad Artesh.
This is the Iranian Advanced Attack Submarine, the high-tech deep-sea predator that changes the game for naval operations.
Ropes away. Starboard clear.
Acknowledged. Increasing speed to rendezvous point. Radio check. Over.
Copy. Loud and clear.
As you can see, the structure is reinforced concrete and steel, capable of withstanding significant pressure. As you can see, the scale of this operation is truly breathtaking, a testament to our engineering capabilities.
Slow lift on the starboard side. Watch the clearance. Clear on this end. Keep it steady.
Bring it down slowly, watch the laser line. Okay, holding steady at 3 meters.
Check the temperature on joint 4.
Reading stable at 500 degrees Celsius.
Maintain pressure on the starboard side, 3 millimeters.
Reading confirmed. Flow rate steady at 70 degrees Celsius.
Gauge reads 75 microns, meets SA 2.5 standard.
Copy that. Moving to the next section.
آرام باش. کمی به راست. خیلی خوب است. پایین بیاور. تراز شده است. درست است.
Check the laser alignment on the starboard side. We need 3 millimeters.
Initiating micro adjustment now.
Confirmed. Holding position steady.
Alignment lasers are stable. Pressure seal confirmed. Inspector, we are proceeding with final seating. Acknowledged. Ensure torque specs are met.
As we move through the control center, note the newly installed sonar consoles. This level of manufacturing precision is required for deep-sea operations. This is the brain of the submarine. Everything must be accurate for deep-sea operations.
Lower slowly, easy now.
Watch the starboard side.
We are clear on this end, keep coming down.
Maintain slow approach. Tug 1, stabilize bow.
Affirmative, bridge. Bow stabilized.
Dockside, confirm lines ready for transfer.
Align the stabilizer, we have minimal clearance.
Reading green on the control panel.
Torpedoes secure in tube 5.
Double-check the torque settings on panel 4, Javad. I'm applying the digital signature now.
A magnificent achievement for the nation. We worked hard for this, sir.
Ready for the next batch.
موفقیت با ما بود. کر علی بود.
به خاطر همکاری شما. تبریک میگم.
We celebrate this historic moment. These vessels, SUB 045 and 04.
Steady as she goes, mister. Helm, 15 degrees down bubble. Prepare to dive to 200 meters.
Bridge, all ahead full. Course 270. Bridge, deck secured for dive, sir.
So this was the complete manufacturing process of this high-tech submarine. From raw materials to deep-sea deployment,
This is the future of deep-sea defense. The advanced attack submarine is unmatched in its class.
if you want to see more factory videos like this, subscribe to Wow Factory Process.
Production note: every frame in this video has been transformed through the careful multiple stages creative process, from the concept development and GIF planning to VO3 generation and final editing. Human creativity leads every step. This channel is too committed to organical, original AI craftsmen and the policy-friendly content creation.